What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, and welcome to Wild Out Wednesdays. What's up, Bougie babes? It's your girl, Suzie B, and you are now watching Wild Out Wednesdays on Disney Channel. I said Wild Out Wednesdays. Run the intro. Wig out, wig out, wig out, wig out. Hey, turn up. It's Wig Out Wednesdays. This is our first installment, guys. Hey, listen. I told y'all before, we on a new schedule now. So Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm coming at you, okay? So Mondays will be Makeup Mondays and Wednesdays will be Wig Out Wednesdays. Now, this is going to be a quick little video. I just want to explain to y'all what to expect from Wig Out Wednesdays. So here's the deal. If you're new here or if you're new to me, I had a wig line called Luxe Hair Teak by Suzie Bougie. I started the wig line, it was cool or whatever, but I noticed some flaws in my business practices, you know? And you know, sometimes as entrepreneurs, it's a good thing to take a step back. Take a look at how things are going. Pricing, what are you doing? What materials are you using? Have you actually broken down profits and all that? So reevaluate. I think business owners should always reevaluate. So I reevaluated my business and I am revamping some things. I am relaunching my business, Luxe Hair Teak by Suzie Bougie. And I will no longer be selling bundles. I am now just focusing on custom units. So what you can expect from Wig Out Wednesdays, it's going to be a lot of informative information, especially for my bougie babes who purchase my wigs. You'll be able to come to Wig Out Wednesdays, get tips and tricks on how to secure your wigs, what to expect from a wig. If you're a beginner, how to cut the lace off the wig, how to make your wig look better on you, just different tips and tricks. If you are familiar with my Instagram, I did a segment called Luxe Lessons where I would just educate you guys. So this is what we're gonna do on Wig Out Wednesdays. And also, every time I make a new wig, I'm bringing it to Wig Out Wednesday so y'all see what it look like. Now, Luxe Hair Teak by Suzie Bougie is a custom unit boutique. So that means that I make the wig when you order the wig. Now, every now and then, in between time, if I got some time, know what I'm saying, I will make wigs to be just available to ship out to you when needed. But as of me and my house, as of right now, it's just custom. So I know you're probably like, what is a custom wig? So, glad you asked. A custom unit is a wig that is made with your specific measurements in mind. I'm going to insert a picture right here. So these are the measurements that I use to make sure that your wig fits securely without the use of glues or gels to hold the wig down. So measurements are very important. That's the most important piece of customization. Also, frontals are in now. Everybody wants a frontal. But a lot of people who come to me wanting wigs are less experienced wig wearers. So you don't really know how to cut lace. You don't really know how to glue it down or whatever. You just want to pop that sucker on and go. That's why I'm here. That's what me is here for. So for the custom units, I actually cut the frontal to your specific ear-to-ear measurement, so you don't have to worry about that. And then I secure it with an elastic band so your wig ain't going nowhere, honey. I got you. Can you give me bundles for me to make the unit for you? No. Nope. I do not accept outside hair. The reason for that is, guys, I have spent, I spent like 4 to 5 years testing out different hair and how it responds to different things. And I trust the hair that I use. I know I can stand behind my product, that it will have longevity, that it will last, that it will not prematurely bald. Like I have confidence in that. But if you bring me some bundles from I don't know where and frontals and closures from I don't know where, and I make you a wig, and then a week later you like, okay, it's tangled, like, okay, it's matted, like, I can't help you, baby. I can't, because I don't know that hair, you know? So that's just the reason. It's actually for you. It's to protect you. What type of hair to use? Thank you for asking. So this lash is making me cry. So the type of hair that I use is raw Indian. Now, the reason I use raw Indian hair is, if you do your research, most extensions derive from Indian hair. That is the leader. That is the beginning of the weave industry, is the Indian temples, where Indian women go and they sacrifice their hair at the temple, and they like turn it into a business where these wholesalers will go and collect the hair. They have to be licensed to be able to do that. They go into the temples, they collect the hair, they clean the hair, and they make these bundles and hand tie the frontals and closures for you to wear. Now, where the Brazilians and the Malaysians and all these different textures come from is a process. So they are steam processing or chemically processing the hair for it to mimic a certain texture. There's nothing wrong with those, absolutely nothing. But as for me, and why I choose to use Indian, raw Indian, meaning it has not been chemically processed, it has only gone through a sanitization process, it lasts longer, it's durable, you have more flexibility for manipulation. Like if you want to bleach the hair, you don't have to worry about it just being so brittle to the point you can't use it anymore. So that's the reason I use raw hair. For the exception of my curly bundles actually, and I insert a picture right here, they are actually steam processed. It's the Indian hair that has been steam processed to create this curl pattern, but everything else is raw Indian. But I just want to come on here real quick to let y'all know that Wig Out Wednesdays is a thing. It's gonna happen every week. Y'all gonna get to see me. Y'all gonna get to see some wigs. Y'all gonna get some tips and tricks. And I didn't have an and, that was it. But make sure you stay tuned. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Right now we got 220 subscribers. I know y'all like, that's nothing. I know it's literally nothing. It's like nobody. But okay, give me a couple minutes. Like, hey, I'm gonna be at 500 before you know it. So right now we're on the road to 500. Tell your friend to tell your friend to tell your friend to tell their other friend to subscribe to my channel. I'm coming at you with makeup looks, wig looks. I apologize in advance. I'm really like amped up right now and I don't know why. This is like really excited and I don't know why. This video was really loud. I apologize. Anyways, thank y'all for watching this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Because if you don't hit the bell notification, you won't be notified the next time I upload. And if you're not notified the next time I upload, you have to go search my name. And if you search my name, you got to search Brushwork by Suzie Bougie. That's a lot of words. I'm trying to help y'all. Help me help you. Find me quicker. Share this video with your friends because they may like me. All right, thank you. Bye.